Hey guys, what's up? It's Kaylin here, and today I'm going to go over how I spotted a swing trade on Thursday. Now, this may be a little bit disappointing to you guys, but I don't have a specific swing trade strategy. I just look for setups, high probability setups, that are on larger time frames. Because obviously, if you're looking at a 5 to 30 minute chart, it's going to play out within a couple of hours, maybe even an hour. If you're looking at the 4 hour, the 1 day, the 1 week, those are typically going to play out within days or a week. 4 hour, typically the next day it's going to play out, or the following 2 days, whatever. If you're looking at a daily setup, then it's going to play out within days, and week, obviously it's going to take weeks. I did a video about explaining time frames, and that should help out a little bit more. But all I do is look for high probability setups, and I'm going to go over one that I seen on Thursday and show you guys my returns on it. So on 6/8, which was Thursday, I said just getting back from vacation, light swing of 350 QQQ 355 call. And I also swung a SPY call, but we're not going to go over the SPY analysis. Even though it paid, QQQ was the larger gainer here. I say 12% on QQQ calls already, looking for a price target of 357 to 358. SPY calls up, blah, blah, waiting for a break of 430.80, willing to be patient and not touch it till tomorrow. This is the exact setup on QQQ that I have right here. I just replayed the bars. So if we're looking at QQQ, it's at 352.09. I'm looking for a move to 357, 358, right? Yeah, 357, 358, which is basically like the high of this range, okay? Why I took this trade and why I was confident in swinging it is because I seen a reaction from this 20 SMA, okay? I'm not going to take a trade thinking that it will bounce. I want to see it bounce before pushing higher. So I see this next green candle following and lining up with this 20 SMA, showing that some buyers were willing to step in down here at 348 area. And I'm thinking that we break above 352/353, the high 352s, 353 basically, and push for a new high above 357.50. Now, obviously, if I were to take a trade off this red candle right here where I seen this short little wick, it could have been a really good entry, but it also could have went against me and it could have went down. So you want to make sure you're seeing a reaction. Don't try to guess things, guess the top or the bottom. See a reaction first and then play off of that reaction. That's what I have to say. So basically, what ends up happening is, let me play this. So it kind of bounces a little bit from this 20 SMA. It ends up opening and going up to 357.73, which is all I really needed. I made about 142%, which was $1,100. And I also swung some SPY calls. But the point of this video is to show you guys how accurate the price targets were. It's not like I had a price target of like 360. It was just like a couple dollar move. I seen the setup on a larger time frame, which is what I was looking for, and that's why I was confident to swing it into the next day. Everything kind of worked out perfectly. Now, following QQQ, I could see kind of a break. As you could see, sellers really took over here at 357. The high 357s, basically 358, and it looks like we could possibly retest 351, a break below 351, possibly like 340. That's like following, like what's next to come probably. But I just wanted to go over this trade that I had. I'm very sorry that I don't have a specific strategy for swing trades. I just look for a high probability setup on a higher time frame, and I think that you guys should do the same. You don't need to be looking for, oh, when this happens, and then this candlestick, and then that, and that. I think that just gets too complicated when it's a lot more clear and organize your charts, and you're just going based off price action, looking for specific setups, then you guys will be a lot more accurate with your trades. All right, that's it for me today, guys. Let me know if you guys want to see any other educational content. I'll be happy to make it. Bye, guys.